There we go.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, did you request permission for startup? I think not. Good job. 10 out of 10.
Oh
Don't
my
mess with the
God.
fucking extras on the goddamn bird, dude. Fucking retard.
Just happened.
I'm gonna live.
We have a tail of an aircraft in the.
Yeah.
Could we?
That's
Could we
Coast
get-
Guard's job to
Whiskey
clean up
101
messes.
to USS
I just
Integrity
ate people.
requesting a startup.
Hold on a second. ATC is just finalizing
Alright.
something. We're gonna be clear.
Oh, thanks.
There's one more
Roger.
box.
Oh, thank you.
I'll
Where do
go
you
out
want
to the
this
front.
tail to go?
Take it off the ship.
I'll walk it off the edge.
What is this? Oh, briefing.
What are we briefing?
What? Oh!
Didn't mean
Oh.
whoever I just
Dude.
locked onto, my bad. I got to turn my homing off.
Hey,
That
you
was
should.
sick.
Hey, you know what? Hey, I think you should start mopping the deck.
Alright,
Me?
this is,
Yes.
I said
Wait,
hey.
why?
I said
Oh,
hey.
Okay.
Fucking dumbass.
this is air traffic control. Active runways are now reopened. Any
Got a
takeoff
rose.
request landing, please contact flight command
Doesn't look like a mopping. It looks
on
like
one
they're looking at the floor.
28.9.
Sierra Whiskey 101 to USS Integrity.
Oh, nope.
Go ahead.
Nope, can't be seen with that. Alright, Alpha. We're gonna go through the PMCS list. I'm gonna have you check it, okay? Get the clipboard out.
Alright.
This is ATC. Go ahead.
Requesting a startup.
Got it.
What is your position?
Alright, Alpha.
Squawk code.
Go ahead and check the landing gear.
North side.
Okay.
Helipad is what it looks like.
North side.
Can I get your call sign?
Sierra Whiskey 101.
Just a
Okay.
brief intentions.
What about the other side?
What's the
start
purpose
up.
of your mission? All right. What's the purpose of your mission? You have to file a plan. So
Oh.
just to start up, just tell me what your intentions are, so we can just log it.
All you gotta do is
Pictures of the-
just crouch near it, so you don't have to lay down and
Pictures of
whatnot.
the above area of the state of San Andreas.
Yeah, that's all grand.
I'm gonna
You're
go.
clear
I'm gonna
to,
go to check the front.
You're clear for
Alright.
engine startup.
You have an aircraft
Okay.
starting up on the
Rear right is good.
rear.
Front is good.
Rear. Yep.
Check the harness hook right here at the door.
Okay.
So in single player, there's actually a script for it. It actually drops the hook down so you can pick things up.
I know, I seen that. That's sick.
Sierra Whiskey 101 to USS Integrity requesting a taxi to the main runway.
That one's good.
All right. then we
Whiskey
gotta check
Romeo
the
11,
engines.
you are cleared for taxi to
I'll
Okay.
check this side. You check the other side.
Roger.
current weather conditions.
Make sure.
Calm winds, steady 9 knots, northeasterly.
Be sure to check the
Visibility 28
jet
miles.
intake also.
Can I just get your squawk code? I keep on not
Intake is
hearing it.
clear.
Hey, while you're up there, can you check the rotor?
Engines.
You sure it's good?
Changing
Yeah.
I'm changing my call sign to Whiskey 101. It's faster.
Alright, thank you.
Alright,
That's a
road is
procedure
good.
to do.
I just want to get it
Whiskey
right.
101 to USS Integrity requesting takeoff on main runway.
Whiskey
Why do I see
101,
green
you are
hair?
clear to take off. Your squawk code is 2804, climb
Okay.
to
Okay.
1500.
Go inside the
You are
back.
then free.
And for 2804, what?
Squawk code.
Alright,
Just
Go and check. Ensure all the windows seals are good,
and climb to 1500.
and check the
Alright.
manifold and ensure it's good.
Quickly reporting, there's a person on the runway looking like he's dancing.
Is it NATO?
Takeoff clear, and no, it's hay.
Oh. Okay, windows are good.
Alright.
Oh, that's line. There we go.
And whiskey 1 is clear. 101 is clear.
Okay, all that is good.
Alright. So go ahead and get in the seats. Make sure those are good.
Whiskey 101, this is air traffic
Go
control.
ahead.
Oh, do you
You are
check the boom?
clear to
gotta check the boom real
just
quick.
fly your mission.
Yeah.
You do not need to report. Just call us through once you are clear to land.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Looks no debris in the boom. Alright. Go ahead and hop in. Ensure you turn the engine off. I still got the book in my hand.
Okay.
Alright. Ensure all the dials are
Reading
so
zero,
first
'cause
off,
that's what they should
yeah,
be.
reading 0. Any deficiencies? Hello.
Yeah.
Any deficiencies?
Nope.
All right. Go ahead and start up. Put on what's it saying? Oh, go ahead and turn on both batteries.
Okay.
Okay. Is the radar on?
Affirmative.
Hey, you see my message? Oh, he's been muted.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Okay, no worries.
I don't know who that ROG guy is.
Why did you want me to go to Takeoff?
Oh, just come to the channel with me.
Hello?
Yo, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
We're gonna do we're gonna do a man overboard exercise. So you're gonna jump basically somewhere into the ocean. We're gonna call out a mayday and surprise the guy and see how quickly they can respond to the man overboard and locate you. Okay?
I'm a shoot so I'm a shoot off. Say I was near the end of the runway and I took a misstep backwards and I fell off.
Okay.
So I'll say I was stood there waiting for it to come on. I can shoot it.
Alright.
Not shoot it, but
You don't need to speak as we don't have communications with you, okay? We'll try to
Okay.
locate you, and then send a helicopter out. Somebody's gonna come down, and then there's gonna be a boat as well, okay?
okay. I'm not a talker anymore because I got bullied. So
Alright, no worries. But I want you to have fun on this one because it's all for you. Alright, we'll go back to the other one, yeah?
alright.
I mean rear
Well,
left.
okay,
No,
so
not
that's
that one. The other.
rear- Okay, so left
There
is
we
that,
go.
right is.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So secured.
Whiskey 101 to USS Integrity.
And this is air traffic control. You go ahead.
Permission to land main runway.
You're clear to
North end.
you're clear to land north runway.
You have to
the
come
north
from
end.
the south end of the carrier because that's where the hooks are.
All right. Go ahead and
Yeah.
go ahead and
I'll do
close
that.
front left to front right.
Okay.
Circling.
Man overboard! Alert! 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 We have a man overboard. We have
All
a
right.
man
Hey, drop the
overboard.
ramp so I can get
Roger
out.
that.
Everybody,
Wait, never
we have
mind.
a man
Yeah.
overboard at the
Drop
south
the back
end.
ramp. I'm trying to get out.
A man overboard at the south ramp.
Gotcha.
To all response
There we go.
teams, we have a code red. Man overboard at the
You
south
want to pilot it?
side.
Alright.
To all
this?
response teams, we have a man overboard at the south side of the runway.
I'm getting my gear on.
All right, Roger.
Ah,
Just,
shit, I gotta
run in the
circle
back.
around again.
Whiskey 101, Whiskey 101, please go around, go around.
10-4, going around. I mean, affirmative.
Why
I'm in.
do I-
I'm ready to go.
Where's my map?
Rapid response team, are you clear to go? Are you clear to go?
Roger,
Turn on engines.
ATC. Rapid response is good to go. Turning on
Alright.
engines now.
Turning on engines.
Boat
Once
is
you're
out.
clear, you are free to operate at your discretion.
Roger, taking off now.
This is air traffic control. Can we have a boat out? A boat out.
The boat is already out.
Alright, fantastic. Do you
Already
have a visual on the man overboard? Do you have a visual?
No, not yet.
ATC, this is Rescue 1. I have eyes. Alpha, are you ready?
Yep.
Confirm.
Alright, jump out!
I see. This is
I'm
air
gonna grab him.
traffic control. This is air traffic control. We have an unidentified air flying object that just did a low fly pass.
I got him. Can I have that boat swing around? Thank you.
Rescue 101 is landed and going offline.
Rescue, ATC, this is Rescue 1.
Go ahead.
Roger, we have a
Coming on.
dinghy
Alright.
that's picking up the survivor right now.
All right. Appreciate all the help. Did you do you have any data of the survivor or victim, and what state this person is?
ATC,
I'm checking
standby.
him right now.
Alpha, what's the verdict?
How you feeling, man? Can you hear me? Anything blocking your airways?
Any response?
No response yet.
I think it might be something serious.
I'm gonna check his breathing.
I don't know why ATC would ever dispatch boats when it's air traffic control.
Okay. Be advised,
I was just
the
asking,
suspect
okay?
is
I am
breathing
more
is
retarded than
normal.
you
He's
think.
just a little shooken up.
ATC, this is Rescue 1 requesting permission to land.
You're clear to land. We have a rescue team already, or a hospital team on the deck.
Roger.
Did you
Alright,
just
man, go ahead and
jump
follow
on
me
the
this way.
boat?
I don't really know about ATC commands, so.
Neither do I, but I'll read up on it.
For the Navy, the main tower does call out the boat.
Oh, hey, how are you two doing?
Hello. Alright, we're gonna be going up this way.
Oh, you see all the stuff in the
That's scary.
in the belly?
Yeah,
I'm in below deck. Yeah.
looks awesome. Love it.
I'm gonna eat my nachos now.
That was pretty cool. Well done, boys.
That was really cool.
Of course, that'd be fucking Delta. That fucking.
That was really cool. I'm glad I watched it.
Oh, you watched him die?
No.
Oh.
I was just gonna
That
go
was
out and run him
proper.
over because I couldn't see him properly.
You still feeling alright, man? You're not lightheaded, breathing is normal and everything?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, if he's normal, fucking throw him back in.
Go for a second round.
The good news here, the water is pretty warm.
Yeah.
It is now unfinished.
He's not showing any signs of hypothermia.
Man
what?
overboard, man overboard.
No. I jumped off on purpose.
Alright,
Take him.
let's go
At
this
least
way.
your
way.
RTC notices stuff, you know.
Alright, the suspect is now
Man
on the flight
overboard!
deck.
I actually
Are you
thought you were
gonna take a seat
testing me,
right
Kai.
here?
What?
I thought you were testing me, Kai.
No.
If I was paying
Fine,
attention.
you don't need no medical attention, nothing feels
God
broken.
damn,
no,
the
Fine,
water
you-
fucking level is high as fuck right now.
Alright,
Oh no, it
we'll
is.
go ahead and take a break, and then once
boat
you're done,
was on the
report to your
ceiling.
NCO, and then he'll give you further instructions of what he needs you to do. Take it easy.
Yeah.
Have you seen the leaves you can stick to your chin yet?
I heard there was an
Who the
emergency.
fuck?
There is
What the hell was
unidentified all flying personnel. To all flying personnel, please get ready and go to your Hornets. We have an unidentified aircraft.
Stand by, stand
flying
by.
around.
Well, we have
I
personnel
got
to
it.
fly.
I'm gonna take care of it.
You got wings,
Okay.
guys?
Setting up
Just send-
anti-air.
Like angels, man.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Waifu.
Waifu, stop your shit.
Waifu?
Waifu, really?
Who brought their body pillow on board?
Sorry.
In
Oh, you
any
have one
case, if there's any flying personnel that wants to take it
Only
on for
one.
a spin,
Hey, in the bay underneath, I'm putting some dinghies.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
I
online.
mean, I'm getting in my.
That's bait as
Sick.
I'm gonna go and check it out.
Oh, wait, don't we have...
Oh, I just put 2. Just gotta
Nice.
watch it because since the water with the waves
Yeah.
being high as fuck.
Rescue
You can,
run.
There
freeze
would be
them.
no shooter on that aircraft carrier, but
You can freeze them.
We have anti-air.
What is the shooter?
yeah, we're totally gonna have a shooter when. hey, hey,
How do you have a
shooter!
shooter
How
on
about
an
you just be
aircraft
my Gal
carrier?
8 Avenger, huh?
What the heck? Rapid response unit to air traffic control.
Go ahead.
Rapid response unit's going to be back inactive. Let us know if needed.
Absolutely.
Back inactive.
Hey, you know what?
Back
Sweet?
and
I mean, Alpha.
active.
It's a good thing that we finished the safety checks. I mean, the pre-flight checks before.
Yes.
Imagine doing them in a rush.
This is Victor Mike, Falcon Alpha 23. Requesting
Yeah, imagine
start
losing your
up.
job
That's what
because you
I'm looking
didn't
for.
do the
Perfect.
pre-flight checks.
Victor Mike Alt 423, you are cleared to
There we go.
start your engines up and taxi to runway for immediate takeoff.
I got a life jacket.
Only pussies wear life jackets.
My life jacket's made of lead.
How do you get a life jacket?
You hope for the best and you be a good boy
November,
all year and ask Father Christmas.
November
I'm just
Whiskey
using
Alt
Where's my
24,
fucking
can you
jacket?
please taxi to the designated runway? I will guide you to the designated runway.
under
It is
MP PED. It's going to be
here.
shirts and accessories.
This is air traffic control to November Alt 248. Do you see the active runway for takeoff?
Affirm.
Where's
Alright.
Probably not, because he doesn't realise it needs.
You'll need
Okay.
to, hey, no, wait. November 258,
So-
this is ATC. Please turn around and slot your front wheel into the following.
Yeah, you slut.
Are you
think-
fucking retarded? You not see the
My-
fucking gray line?
You dirty
There you
little
go.
slut.
The life jacket that I'm using is under, if you're under MP PED customizer, shirts and
November
accessories 124.
248, once you're ready,
I just kept clicking
1-4
enter until
what?
it's orange.
November 245, once you're ready and all slotted in, you
What is
can
it? Shirts and accessories.
you can request
Shirts.
catapults to be
I'll
activated.
put it in chat.
All right.
Clearance for takeoff. Granted.
Thank you.
And I just kept pressing enter until I got it to orange.
Just checking the blades. Took that scene out of
November 345, November Whiskey, you are cleared for takeoff. Catapult ready.
Alpha, is it raining?
Not for me.
Look up.
What?
Is it raining?
Is it raining?
Levitating kids.
Wait, where are you guys?
I mean, see when you piss so much.
Ah, you can see it, too.
Let's
see
get
it.
powers. I'm just
great.
lubricating the blades.
Ew. Ugh.
Just gonna lubricate. I'm gonna lubricate Nick's leg.
ATC, this is Kilo 126 Mike Yankee.
This is ATC, go ahead.
Roger, requesting engine start.
You're clear to
Don't
start
worry for
your
me.
engine.
I'll piss on you.
Hey, I'm
This is
just
a
gonna shorten it up for you, so it's Kilo 12.
Kilo 1,
Someone
2,
doesn't
you're clear
understand
to start your
the
engines.
Hornet's
Roger.
no hydraulic.
As a
feature
weather
for the
update, the weather, the winds are 9 knots, blowing from the northeast, easterly breeze, visibility 28 miles.
Roger. Sounds like some good weather.
Haha,
ATC, this is
no.
Kilo 12 requesting permission to take off from helipad 3.
You're clear to take off from
Yes,
helipad 3, Whiskey Kilo 10.
Roger.
Green.
Faulty gear. The gear is gravity drop on the Hornet.
Okay, that'll work.
November 345 November Whiskey. Are you declaring an emergency?
I just seen that right now.
Hey,
Kind of late.
dude, you should probably start using your mic, otherwise we're not gonna fucking pay attention.
November
I couldn't give a shit.
345 November Whiskey.
Jimmy, hey, leave him.
Please engage.
Hey,
Proceed
the dinghies are
for
still down there.
gravity drop.
I'll go to him in a minute. I'm just rolling this. I'm just
Gravity
rolling
drop
smoke.
on the Hornet's gears and report back to air traffic control.
Yeah, we're going there in a minute. I'm just rolling a joint.
We just need a clear line. November 345 November Whiskey. Please activate procedure 2 for emergency gravity drop of the landing gear and report back to air traffic control immediately.
I need to hurry up and get Nitro back because I got some jazzy pictures yesterday. Or this morning.
November 345 November Whiskey. Please
Oh no, the dinghy.
turn around.
Oh, that's you.
Come in for
Oh,
a
so that's-
landing.
No, it's not. Never mind.
You
I just
will
see
be
the dinghy
cleared
going
to
into the bay
land
right now.
Oh yeah.
from on the active runway
That's-
2
I see that too.
from
It's
south
like,
of
what?
the approach. You have currently
Is that my-
traffic in the
my
form
guy's
of a
still pissing. I
helicopter
haven't
flying
been
around
pissing
the
Jesus
air traffic.
Christ.
I think my guy's got a broken bladder.
Huh?
My guy won't stop pissing.
It's
When you gotta go,
prisoners.
you gotta go.
Stop.
ATC, this is
Ah.
Kilo 1-2.
Kilo 1-2, go ahead.
Be advised, I had eyes on a personnel standing at the end of on the rear of the ship on the runway, urinating off the side.
taking the piss. Taking the urination.
Appreciate the
Who says I'm
report.
doing it off the side? I'm still pissing onto the ship.
Can we
just stood
get
here for the
a
That is
run?
true.
We're getting
This
mocked
is air
like
traffic control. Can we get a runway response team?
Ready to go.
Just checking out the situation, please.
Yep.
Devil's lubing up the runway.
Just as please be advised, we have an incoming aircraft for landing. So the sooner we can resolve the situation, please, the better.
Yep. Rapid response unit will deal
November
with that.
345 November Whiskey. We currently have individuals on the runway. I need you to go around. Go around.
No, he's got clearance to land. He can land over us.
Yeah, you're right. Pussy
We're
lips.
just emptying out our bladders from the other night.
Oh,
Too much whiskey?
Runway response team.
The amount of urine I've just
Guys.
produced, that's not from one night. That's about 3
you
years.
guys can't be doing this.
Can I get an ETA on when the
Oh,
individual
I
is
need
going to be off the
backup. I need
runway?
backup. It smells like celery. I need backup. Smells like asparagus.
If you do it for long enough, 2 streams come out.
November 345 November Whiskey. Can I just get a status on your fuel levels, please?
There you go, all done.
Oh my god.
Can I get November 345 November Whiskey? Can I get a status update on your fuel levels? Fuel levels, please.
Did you just fall over?
I
I
picked
off
him
the
up
edge.
and legged him.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Kilo 1-2. I have lost half of the rear of my helicopter snapped off.
Jesus
I have no
Christ, how?
control.
F in the chat. He's somewhat close voice.
Emergency.
Major oof on the plug.
Rapid response team, please respond. Please get ready. November 345
Mayday,
November
mayday.
Whiskey,
I'm going
please
down.
land.
I'm going down.
Where are you?
Roger that. Rapid response unit getting ready to deploy. Let us know when
Boat
ready.
is active.
Grabbing a boat.
Boats.
Acting out.
Whenever the boats are ready, please go out. Do we have a location on the victim? On the location of
I've got
impact?
a location of the blade.
Let me move out of
This
y'all's
is
way. Oh, you're...
Rapid
this is
response team.
rescue Pablo 1. I'm going out.
You're clear to go out
I'll get a
at your
location,
discretion. You're clear to go out at your discretion.
Roger that. Finding a location on.
Boat Whiskey Delta 2, do you have a visual on the victim?
Yep.
On the
Visual
boat.
confirm. He's a floater. Fuck it.
Passed out.
It's a floater.
He's a
It's like a
floater.
goldfish. He's upside down asleep.
November 345, November Whiskey, please taxi to your exit position at 2.
Oh my god.
I picked him up. He's still
You got the
unconscious.
boat.
Yeah, we can't come
get
back
it.
for the boat. Yeah, you go. You got a hook.
Yep.
Yeah.
Come on, Devil. You gonna make that turn? What's going on there? This guy's drowning in the chair. Oh well.
How you get?
Yeah, ready for this fucking retarded swimming again?
Oh, cool. I got the boat. This is a rescue run. Permission to land on USS
Where's the med bay?
Integrity.
You're clear to land at your discretion. Please be
Roger that.
advised there
Where's the
is
med bay?
We're using that little garage thing. That's what I use.
It's the office opposing the
Oh,
oh,
shit.
I always use the office opposing the fucking the bridge.
That'll
Someone
work too.
need to help my character
After
out.
sponsoring
My
his
character
office.
is,
You're clear to land.
Dropping the boat. Oh, watch out! God, Delta.
Whoa, that was close.
That was... Jesus.
I've gone too far, haven't I?
yeah.
This is
Just a
aggregate
weird-
control. Once you're clear, please move the boat
Press
to
F5 and
the
then F5.
side
Roger
between
that.
the helicopters
Yeah, just fucking stick in the garage.
on the yellow
Push the boat
patch.
over the edge.
I need. Is there a medic? Is there
You
a
see the-
medic?
I'm
Do
a
we have a
medic.
medic?
I
call.
don't. I can't see where we are.
I'm EMT certified.
We're in. We're at the top.
Hold
Delta,
up,
when
there.
you're ready,
Shit, I can land here.
can you put it on here?
Okay.
You have a,
Wherever hey, or whatever you are.
that
Or
boat
recruit
comes
hey.
up
I don't know
ladder.
who you are.
Hey,
Yeah, he's doing
Hey, whatever. Just hey. Put that boat away from me. I'll be right back. Oh shit. sir.
I found the only problem with peeing that. Kind
You
of,
gonna-
What
yeah,
the?
yeah,
I
can't
said
stop
put it away.
where's the boat? I can't see it anymore. The boat needs to be
Oh
here.
my god. You okay, sir? You feel normal? You feel lightheaded? Anything blocking your breathing? Or your airway? My apologies.
You know he's passed out, right?
You
Yeah.
may be having a spasm,
There you go.
sir.
I think
Sir.
the only problem with this pissing about you can't stop pissing after you started it.
I know it's a piss. It's a brilliant. That's a piss take.
I'm running around pissing still.
Oh my god. What the? He's having a spasm.
He's being possessed. He's being possessed. Get
Oh
the
my
preacher.
god.
Somebody get the preacher.
We'll have to take care of him right now.
Where's he at?
We've got to burn him alive. Burn him. Burn
We
him.
might need
Fire or take his head. So fuck it. Let me get the axe out. But take his head.
He's Satan's child. We need to get
Stand
him
back,
in.
boys.
We may need a
There we
medevac
go.
to bring him
Oh,
to
you
the nearest
motherfucker.
hospital. Oh my god. Alright, NATO's taking care of it now.
I'm trying to put it out, don't worry.
Toasty!
John's barbecue for massage.
Oh my god, I love that meme.
What is my character doing?
It looks
He's
like
got
he
broken
really
arsehole.
wants to go, but he's shy and he can't. Oh. I think he's having a spasm.
You're lying in a puddle now, so enjoy.
Ow!
Sorry, mate.
I like this one because it actually looks like I'm doing recon.
You're also actually led in a puddle of piss.
Oh, he's gone. Where's he going? Sir, please come back.
He's like,
Roger that. Got
He
eyes
thinks
on.
he's Keegan from Ghost Recon. Or Call
Are
of
you
Duty
fucking
Ghost.
retarded? Oh my god, you're dumbass.
I got too many game titles mixed up at once.
I got too many game titles.
I haven't played it in forever.
I haven't played him forever.
He's having a spasm.
What
was that? Someone just shoot?
That wasn't my
I'm
three
about
of
to
my
shoot you if you don't shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
There you go. That.
What if I kick you in the face?
This is air traffic control. I'm just gonna be offline for a couple of minutes. At the moment, we'll have Unicom on all stations. Unicom on all stations.
It's
Oh, shit,
okay.
my bad.
I knocked his brain back in place. He's normal again.
If you
I
guys
took care of it.
don't know what
Knocked
Unicom
his
is,
brain back in place. Makes sense to me.
Know where the what is?
Unicom,
What the fuck is that?
it means that if an aircraft is taking off, for example, you'll give your call sign and you say, "Hey, I'm taking off." XYZ. You know what I mean?
Oh, this is Hotel 378. Taking off.
Oh. Did I reconnect?